Hello, I'm attorney David M. Chester from the Chester Law Group, an Ohio wrongful death law firm. Today we're here to discuss who actually sues for the Ohio wrongful death claim. As I've discussed in other videos, a wrongful death claim is an injury claim usually brought by a family member who's called an executor if there's a will, or personal representative if there is no will, on behalf of the family called beneficiaries. The claim is brought for the emotional pain and suffering the beneficiary family members have suffered because of the death of their loved one caused by a third party's careless behavior. It's a mouthful. Well, since the deceased family member cannot file a lawsuit, Ohio law contains a process whereby all family members can, in a sense, sue for damages without having to list each family member as a plaintiff on the lawsuit. As we have said in other videos, the law requires an executor or administrator called a personal representative, as discussed in other videos. This person will represent family members called beneficiaries in their personal injury claims. If the deceased has a will, then the executor can file the lawsuit. If there is no will, a personal representative must be appointed. This personal representative acts much like a traditional personal injury client, even though they're making decisions for the benefit of all the beneficiaries of the wrongful death claim. In addition, the personal representative decides whether to file a lawsuit, who to sue, and whether or not to settle, with, of course, probate court approval. They respond to litigation discovery, participate in settlement negotiations, attend pre-trials, and other hearings, and they act just like a regular personal injury client would. The actual lawsuit is brought in the name of the personal representative of the estate for the exclusive benefit of the surviving spouse, children, and parents. This is why it is so important to have a personal representative who is willing to pursue the wrongful death claim vigorously and hire an experienced personal injury firm that has successfully handled wrongful death cases before. Now, if there is no will, whoever opens the estate and whoever is named the personal representative in effect controls the wrongful death claim and which lawyer will handle it, of course subject to court oversight. If you have lost a loved one to someone else's actions, I urge you to order my free book entitled Losing Someone You Love, an Ohio Family's Guide to Wrongful Death. You can get a free copy of this valuable book by calling 1-800-218-4243 or by visiting my video website, www.chesterlaw.com. Now, on my website, you can get a PDF copy of this book right now. So please call 1-800-218-4243 or go to chesterlaw.com now to get your valuable free book.